So yeah, it's just the fan runs. It's like a series of events. I think at first the fan kicks on, then it builds up pressure, reads that, then it goes to like the fuel pump, you know, basically it's like one to the next to the next. Gives you error codes if anything goes wrong, but it's really confusing because pretty much says any error code could be from anything, but let's see what it does here. See, it takes a minute to build up pressure, or just like, there it goes now. So it's building up the priming it, and you'll see here's her building up. Start working here. Now if you were to look out, you'd be smoking a little bit outside right now, but you can't see it. So let's see here now. It's cool air. Doesn't take long, though, as you hear it start building up when it's like full power here. Coming out. Got it set up for me just so you can see the temperature coming out of this, but 194, 195. So, you know, 195 degrees. Somewhere in there, 198. So the air is getting hotter and hotter.